Dear God, thank you for another week. I surrender all to you. Help me to please you in all that I do. Make me into the person you want me to be. Shake what needs to be shaken, take what needs to be taken, break what needs to be broken. I give you all of me. Lead me where I should go. Teach me what I don't know. My reply to you is always yes. I will never say no. I say yes to your purpose. I say yes to your process and plan. Help me to obey you even when I don't understand. You are God, you are King. I say yes to your will and your way. In the midst of all the voices, you have the final say. As I sit today, I sit with you. As I stand with you. I surrender to your agenda. I will do what you want to do.